What's up everyone? In this video I'll show you how to import or add contacts to your monday.com account. So here as you can see I'm signed into my monday.com account and I'm on my homepage or main dashboard. Now to add contacts, let's go to a board. So here is my main workspace and I have a task board right here. Now, one thing to make sure to have ready before you start the process is one, have an Excel sheet or a CSV file with all your contacts and their data on it. And second, create here a table or in the board here with all the fields that are in your Excel sheet. So let's say, for example, I have an Excel sheet with in the contacts with their like name, email, work, like title and their address and so on. So I'll need to create here a table with the same fields. So name, email, like work title and job, etc. So that when I import contacts, their info will be sorted in their respective fields. Now, once I have that ready, all I need to do is to go here to the plus icon. I can invite members if I want to, or I can import contacts. So here in the main board right here, go here to new item in the drop down, click on import items, and you'll be redirected to this pop-up where you can import data from an Excel or a CSV file or whatever file that you have. Make sure it is supported and click here to browse your file or drag it and drop it right here, and then go with the wizard and you'll be successfully have imported your contacts.